Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install and also register on cashapp easily. So basically in this video, cashapp is like a payment app used for receiving money from your friends instantly. It's just an alternative from PayPal, Payoneer and others. So basically you might not have cashapp installed on your phone. And if you check on Google, it might be saying this app is not currently available in your country and things like that. So you just need to download a VPN, and also I've also placed a download link for the app in the description below. After that, so also you need the cashapp app and also a VPN. Well, you can use Windscribe or you can also use ExpressVPN or BetterNet, depending on the VPN you're currently using. Use any VPN, Safari supports USA. So I'm just going to open my own cashapp, so I can go. As you can see, I have my Windscribe open and I'm connected to it. So I'll just go to the cashapp. Go to the cashapp. Then I input my name, my email address. Then now it's telling me to confirm my code. I'm just going to connect to my laptop, then check my code from my Gmail account easily, so I don't have to leave these windows. So I have the code 004. So as you can see, I'm logging I'm creating my account, and see it's not add. Once I have my VPN, it's not add. So I'll just keep this debit card, then enter my full name. My full name. So now I can give it my own name, my nickname. So my zip code, I'll just search for zip code from my laptop. A zip code. So basically you need a USA zip code to do it. I suggest you using a USA zip code than using your current location zip code. So I'll just use Alabama zip code. So trying to check for a much better zip code. Where's the zip code? As you can see, it's not really hard to create your account. It's not hard. It's really easy. It's really easy. So I think I've gotten the zip code. I'll just use anyone I want. You can use the zip code too. As you can see, it's ready. I can invite my friends and earn $5, and I can also skip. So I'll just skip. I'll do this later. As you can see, welcome to cashapp. My account is ready. So I don't have any money on my account. So if I have money on my account, I can be able to use it to do whatever I want. As you can see, I can receive Bitcoin from it. I can receive anything. I can do anything. I can also get my debit card, my verified debit card. As you can see, cashapp. So it's really easy to create a cashapp account. Don't forget to like this video, and please check out other videos on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. And also share this video with other people that are trying to install Cash App and also create an account on Cash App. It's really easy. So thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.